Hey guys, so today I felt compelled to make gluten-free turkey burger helper, which is like, the turkey version of hamburger helper. Not to say that I like turkey better than beef, quite the contrary. I think beef is nutrient dense, but I just like the way elbow pasta happens to taste with ground turkey, so that's what I chose today. And my son eats only gluten-free, so I had him in mind and myself. So right now I'm just starting off with just melting some butter just to get prepped for the ground turkey because the ground turkey is quite lean. So I just wanted to cook it in some fat, good fat. And butter is healthy, unlike what a lot of people will tell you, because this is a very primal approach, although some people would say that the grains are bad, which normally I'm not a fan. So I'm adding some Italian seasoning. I am a huge fan of Italian seasoning and some tomato basil seasoning as well. Just sauteing that all in there. I like to really go to town with seasoning, as you can see. A little dash of pink Himalayan sea salt and 100% raw pure honey. That's my secret ingredient. I think honey tastes wonderful in ground turkey. So that's my little extra ingredient in there. And then you just simply add the ground turkey in the pasta that's cooked, and voila,